Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I'm driving. We're going on a trip today. We're going to Ocho Rios. I'm going to show you how I do my brides and bridesmaids. They're coming from overseas and I'm here with Deandra.
Hey guys!
If you're new here, make sure that you subscribe to my channel, click the subscribe button below and like this video and also comment. If you're not new here, welcome back. Stay tuned. Okay guys, we're here.